You gotta start naming them.
We got one.
Bring it in. Dee Dee's catching a fish. Show the camera the fish, Dee Dee. There it is. Oh, that's a whopper, man.
Look at how yellow it is.
That's a whopper.
She caught 4 of them the same size. Touch them? Look at her. She's like loving it. Be careful, Dad.
Dee Dee's catching a fish. Look at that. You guys are just getting them left and right.
She's a cheap date. Look at that. Same worm.
Chris, let me see yours. You're getting them they're like piranhas, aren't they?
What?
They're like piranhas.
Look at that guy. No, you can catch a northern on that one for sure.
Oh, look at that one. I'd use that for bait. I've done, years ago I did that before. I shouldn't have,
Well, we used to cast them all in.
Yeah.
Okay, honey, want me to throw it off there for you? You got it.
Chris, taking it. Can you get it off?
You throw it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, what happened there? Is it scary or what?
Yeah. Get him off?
It fell off.
Where is it?
It just dropped and it fell off.
Is he in the lake?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see him.
It just jumped off.
I like no worm.
Now you gotta get worm up again, huh? Or you still have worm? Oh, you still have worm. Dee Dee's got another fish. Can you get him in? Oh, Dee Dee, look at that. Look how big that one is, Dee Dee. Whoa. That's a bigger one, isn't it?
Excuse me.
Are you scared of him?
Dee Dee, where are you going?
Don't you want to fish? Are you done? Are you had enough?
Wow, what a cool fish.
Yeah.
Oh, look how small it is.
I got a little worm over here.
Look how small the worm is.
Yeah, we gotta put a little worm.
Oh, that's a little small. It's almost instantaneous. I already has it. Look at it. He's got one.
Don't hurt this.
Oh, that's a nice one. Here it comes. Bring him over here.
These are heavy.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a good one.
One after another.
Okay.
They're like 5-pounders. That's the fish they caught today. I think Steve caught that. Bassy. No, don't throw that in there. What are you doing? Now you got to get them out of there.
That's for big fish.
Yeah. Why'd you do that for? Pull it in. Pull it in. Where'd it go?
Yeah, that's a nice.
Oh, look at this.
Kind of dull yellow. Look at that.
Yeah, look at both of them.
Face in.
Look at this one.
I caught that.
Whoa.
Look at that one.
Who caught that, Dee Dee?
He did. Look.
It's gonna be a big tank.
It's a good fish.
You want to get it off or no?
No, you do it.